Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to game share on PS4. Game sharing on PS4 allows you to share your digital game library with your friend or family member, giving them access to your purchased games. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Firstly, on your friend's PS4, log in using your PlayStation Network account. From the main menu, PS4, navigate to Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down, then select Account Management. Select Activate as your primary PS4. This is what will allow your friend to access your games. Click Activate to make your friend's PS4 your primary console. You may need to deactivate your own PS4 as the primary console if it's already set. Now, all the games in your digital library will be available on your friend's PS4. They can download and play the games directly from your account without needing to log in every time. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.